Hey everyone, so today I'd like to speak about how to make our PC faster. So what I got here is a virtual machine with EA Download Manager, YouTube and Skype, Adobe Reader, and all of those programs that actually run with your startup installed. So I'd like to show you my task manager, and as you can see, my CPU usage is pretty low right now, and my RAM memory is 200 megabytes, which is a little bit more than it were before I installed all of those applications. So I'd like to show you how to make everything faster. And as you can see in my processes, everything is running like iTunes Helper and all of this stuff I don't actually need. So I'll show you how to fix everything. So first of all, we have to go to Start, Run. Windows 7 users could have an option to search right here, and just type msconfig and click OK. So msconfig is actually a utility which allows you to choose your services and start up programs that will run with your computer. And as you can see, there's a lot of programs running here, so I'll hide all Microsoft services since this is the only services I actually need. And if you know what you're doing, you can always configure as much as you like. And I'll just hide all of this stuff. So what I've got here is Google Updated Service, Windows Card Space, iPod Service, Apple Mobile, all of the stuff I don't need, so I will disable all of them. Consider that I have no antivirus application installed right now, so if you do, please do not uncheck the antivirus service, and we'll move to Startup tab, and we'll see that everything is like YouTube and Skype and like those services we just disabled. So I'm going to disable everything again, except this one, and unlock assistance, since I only need those to start with my computer. So now I'm going to apply and hit close. Now it would ask me if I'd like to restart or exit without restarting. So I'd like to restart, since I'd like to show you how my PC performance is better right now. I installed this operating system which offers me a quick restart, so you won't have to wait long. And yeah, actually basically this is all basic programs that would run with your computer, and we just disable them, so the startup will be faster, and programs that we don't need wouldn't run in our background, and everything should be really faster. System configuration utility just tells us that we configured the msconfig. You can hit the box if you'd like to not see this this message anymore, and stuck here. So as you can see, my startup was pretty fast. I wish I wouldn't forget to show you how it worked before I installed all those applications. Anyway, let's see our task manager. As you can see, there's a really little amount of processes that is running currently, and it were like full of them before I restarted. And as you can see, I used like 200 megabytes of RAM in my PC before I used my restart, and before I configured the startup and all this stuff. So as you can see, I only use 80 megabytes out of 500 megabytes which are installed. And if you don't believe me, you can see here in Performance Declare that I have only 512 megabytes of RAM installed. So this was my short tutorial about how to speed up your PC performance and how to use little memory and how to tune up your services. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, comment if you have anything to say, and thanks. Good night.